Hello and happy Tip Tuesday. My name is Mike Latzy, and today I want to talk about a feature we've added in version 14 that enhances our ability to work with event attributes, particularly those that are unique per equipment. So I've prepared an event with a variety of event attributes here, and you can see that all of those are unique per equipment. And if you've worked previously with our old style layouts, you may have become accustomed to working with those user created objects. But here I'm using our new field layouts, and what we've done here is in the customized toolbox, we've included some attribute fields as well as attribute memo fields. And I've placed a group of those fields as well as an attribute memo field onto my layout. So once those are on the layout, what you will need to do first is associate each of those objects with a particular attribute. So right click on those and select the attribute field. And I'm going to go through these and I'm associate each of my event attributes with these objects. And then finally my memo field only gives us any of those event attributes that are identified as memos. And you'll see the attribute names come in here as well. And I'm going to go ahead and save my layout. And now I'm going to add some equipment. So once my equipment are added to my event, now you'll see that each of these attributes pulls up a special dialog here that allows us to select one or many of the equipment to apply an option to. So here I might highlight one equipment and say, yes, I completed the check. And then at any time you can open this dialog back up and review those values here. You also, in the dialog, have the option to select all equipment that are in the event and make that selection and have that apply to all of those items. And so you'll see this is going to save quite a lot of time versus the old style of working with the event attributes. You may notice, I'll show you here, but I've added the old style attribute screen as well to my event. So let me quickly finish putting in the items here. And then here we have the memo attribute. And you can still select in the choose equipment grid here to look at those values per equipment. And then so if we were to step to the next screen here, I'm presented with the old attribute screen that allows us to review those values. That may be useful to include here just as a chance to kind of see all of those attributes together. But hopefully you see the benefit of using these new batch edit operations for those event attributes. Thanks and have a great day.